Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today I'll show you guys how to handle multiple layouts in a single Rails application. So and this is the one layout that's used to called static pages layout, and one more layout you can see this is a kind of admin page. So these two are different layouts. So now I created a static pages.html.erb file. It is same thing like application.html.erb. So application.html.erb is inbuilt. Whenever we create an Rails application, it will automatically create. So I created static pages.html.erb. So I also added different style sheet tag and JavaScript include tag for static pages layout. So it will take static pages.scss file and static pages.json file. So I just even created those two also. You can see static pages.js and static pages.scss. Once you done, so we should need to add these two files inside assets.rb. So we have to precompile those. We have to precompile. So once you modify this file, so you have to restart your application. That's it. It will work. Thank you guys and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.